Hello guys, today we are going to Mount Titlis from Zurich by a train. First we shall stop at Lausanne and then we shall change the train. Now we are at Zurich railway station.
Oh baby, I wanted you to
Look at the nice views from the train. We are enjoying a lot.
inside my arms where the night goes down. Oh baby,
These bicycles are parked at one of the railway stations on the way.
when the sun comes up,
Look at the view of the river.
goes by.
Now we have reached Lausanne. From Lausanne we have to take train for Engelberg. But since the train to Engelberg is after 1 hour, so we decided to hop around Lausanne. Now we are at the riverside of Lausanne and we are having fun. This bridge is surrounded with rose bushes and we shall cross the river through this bridge. So let's go! We are on the bridge crossing the river and the view is very awesome. We are enjoying so much. Look at the clear and clean water. The clean water. Let's feed the swans. I bet the swans love to live here. It's time for the train to Engelberg. Wow, what a nice view! The green meadows and the nature's beauty. Small little villages in lush green land. Wow, what a beautiful view! Now we have reached Engelberg and taking a cable car to Mount Titlis. These cable cars have different flags of different countries and even of our beloved country, Pakistan. There are 3 levels of cable cars to Mount Titlis. We are now at the first level. There are many activities here. There are many activities to enjoy, like jumping, boating, and many more.
Oh baby, I wanted you to be here. Inside my arms where the night goes down. Oh baby, I wanted you to be here.
Now we are going to level 2 on the cable car.
And the day goes by.
We are going up and up. Look at the river that was on the first level for boating. evolving cable car in the world. We have reached the top of Mount Titlis and we are enjoying the snow right here. After a lot of enjoyment, we are going back. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.